My name is Michaela Turner, and I'm one of the co-directors of Ontario Mennonite Music Camp. Ontario Mennonite Music Camp is 2 weeks spent at Conrad Grebel University College, where high school students are able to develop their musical skills as well as leadership skills and relationships with their peers. OMMC is an interesting mix of both traditional camp activities like nightly campfires, coffee houses, time spent outdoors, but it's also very focused on musical development through things like choir rehearsals, workshops with local musicians in the area. It's a rich, full schedule, and at the end of the week we host a final concert where we also showcase a musical that we've been working on just within those 2 weeks that we pull together by the end. It's a great opportunity to get to know people with a similar interest in music, but perhaps with different backgrounds and other things that you can learn from one another. I would think of OMMC as an inclusive, welcoming, and I would say brave atmosphere. It's a place where you can come with any level of musical ability as long as you're interested in music. We're always excited to see our new campers every year. We are open to campers of all Christian traditions and all faith backgrounds as well. We try to incorporate that into some of the music that we learn, and we make sure to prepare music for a worship service halfway through camp, which we execute at a church locally in Kitchener-Waterloo. It varies from year to year, and every church is always happy to host us and allow campers to develop some of their gifts of worship leadership, which they can apply in various contexts when they leave. Register today for Ontario Mennonite Music Camp. I look forward to seeing you this summer.